Hey everyone, and welcome into the video this evening. I wasn't planning to get another video out today, but the markets have completely turned around. We're having a fantastic green day. We've got some of our plays up 10, 15, even 20%, which is incredible considering we had just had such a massive market shift of money and a huge sell-off, almost like a stock market crash into growth and innovation. We've now seen a complete transition for the second time in the last month where the money has started to flow in at the end of the month. So this is really interesting news. So let's just dive on into the computer. All I ask is that you go down there, smash the like button for me, and also hit that big red subscribe button if you're new. Welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason, and if you would like access to my buy and sell alerts and my private updates every single day, then be sure to join the Patreon. I will leave a link below in the description. Our early bird special is still on. We have about one slot left, so just the price of a cup of coffee. So guys, we are up on the charts, and you can see that Skills has jumped up today more than 10%. We've also got NNDM, which is up more than 10%, which is incredible. We are now sitting above that $8, and this is exactly the reason why, guys, we don't have paper hands, despite the fact that the markets have been going red. If I get that red arrow on there, you can see that we have in fact sold off down through this trend line. We have now broken through that trend line, and we are now starting to trend upwards. And again, this is all just having that long-term focus. If you are just concerned with short-term profits, I don't think that this is a fake out. Again, we are going to see the markets trade sideways until the summer. I had done many videos on why this is, so if you have been a regular viewer of my channel, then you will know. One of our plays has actually broken out today, and that is Curiosity Stream. So I had alerted the Patrons back down here when we were sitting around $12, and I was very excited because this is going to be a long-term hold for me, and today we are sitting up over 6 or 7% on the day. So hopefully now we can in fact start to retest those highs, and if we can hold above this level, and this can now be a new layer of resistance, new layer of support. And if we can now hold above this line, and this is now going to be a new layer of support, then again we can start to retest upwards to around that $17 price range, which in the short term will be a lovely swing trade. So I am very excited for this play moving forward, and I hope that they do continue to have some really good revenues, because last year they did have a fantastic growth in their revenue. And Curiosity Stream, guys, is basically a streaming service like Netflix, but for documentaries that are specialized in many different subjects, and they are one of a kind, and it is made by the guy that obviously did make the Discovery Channel. I have done a full breakdown on Curiosity Stream, so if you want to check it out, then be sure to check out the video that I will link above now for you guys. The Nasdaq is in fact selling off, and I was hoping that Brookfield Infrastructure was going to actually go negative on the day. It did start turning up negative, and it has since seen some more inflow of money. So I am still sitting on my hands waiting for this price to come down, test onto the 200 EMA lines, and I will be scooping up some more shares. We've even got Bitcoin, guys, going up again at another 8% today, so that's absolutely fantastic for the Bitcoin shareholders there, and anyone that did manage to catch that dip on Mara around $30, you are now sitting up about 5% on the day. So even that itself is a lovely day trade if you are someone that is day trading, and again, you know how to in fact get in and get out very quickly. We've got NIO, guys. I did release a video on NIO this morning saying how I'm very bullish on the outlook for NIO for the rest of the year. There is so much fantastic news coming ahead for NIO. We even have earnings out this week on Thursday, so if you haven't seen that video yet, then be sure to check out the video. I will link above now. It's really important that you do see it if you are a NIO shareholder or someone that is very bullish on NIO, or you're thinking of adding it to your portfolio, because you need to understand the fundamentals, the technicals, and also the economic outlook as to why this stock is in fact moving at such a rapid pace, why we have in fact fallen off, we have had that sharp sell and decline, and we have in fact formed a triple bottom, and why I believe that we are going to start to retest those highs of $65 towards the end of the year. Absolutely on fire. So I'm very excited there. We do have the Tesla earnings out, guys, which is going to be out shortly in just over an hour's time, so I'm very excited to see how that does play out. Normally Tesla do in fact trade sideways, so we will have to wait and see there. We've also got some very great opportunities, guys, on Coinbase. Coinbase is still sitting around that $300 mark, so this is going to be a buy in my eyes. And we've also got ALPP, which is about to close flat on the day, and again we have in fact been in some form of consolidation for a while, so I am going to get a brand new video out because we do have some more news on ALPP that did come out on Twitter, so I will cover that tomorrow, and I'll probably get that video out to you tomorrow afternoon, so look out for that video if you are an ALPP shareholder. So there's lots going on today, guys, in the markets, and I just wanted to say it's fantastic that, again, if you don't have those paper hands and you are able to sit down and, you know, stay calm on those days, you know, where the markets are going red, And just remind yourself that you are in fact a long-term investor, because you know you really can make those profits if you are in this for the long term, and you are, you know, just making the most of any opportunity to in fact buy the dips, average your price down, lower your risk, and again hold for the long term. Just like I pointed out many times with the S&P 500, if you were to average in at any point over the course of 30 years, you will always see a cumulative doubling in your money, and you will start to get that compound interest over the course of a decade. So again, just don't be scared. Obviously stick to your conviction. Why did you start investing? And don't get those paper hands on the days where obviously there is a lot of volatility. Use it to your advantage. Bngo is another play I had updated on our Patreon page, and I did actually put a buy signal out when we did hit down below that $6 range. And again, we are now sitting up over 20% on the day, so that's absolutely fantastic for any of our patrons that did catch that. So congratulations there for our Bngo shareholders. There are a few other plays, guys, that we are watching, but I am just going to wrap up the video quickly on today. I hope that you guys did manage to catch some of these plays, and I hope that you do have a fantastic week. Stay safe in the markets, and again, if you would like access to any of the information that I give out in the Patreon, then be sure to join by the link below. I hope you guys have a great week, stay safe, and I'll see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Ciao.